to episode, I believe this is episode 51 for Smart Money to Blockchain Freedom. Welcome back. Welcome back. For new people, I always like to start at coinmarketcap.com for those who are just getting into cryptocurrency, because it's a great place to learn. And you can actually see the top cryptocurrencies. I'm sure you're most probably familiar with Bitcoin's at the top, and then we've got Ethereum, and then Tether is a stable coin. It's quite nice to use Tether if you're sending large amounts of money because it always stays at $1. And then we've got XRP, BNB, Solana. So for new people, have a look at the top 10 coins, right? And it's super easy to buy Bitcoin. So if you ever wanted to buy Bitcoin, maybe just go check out the history of Bitcoin and see for yourself how powerful this project actually is, because you can go and have a look at the all-time chart. And the beautiful thing about this all-time chart is you can go back 5 years, you can go back anytime you want, and you can actually see what the price is. And as you can see, the general projection of Bitcoin's just been up. Yes, there's been cycles where it goes down and then up. And that's why on my training videos, I always mention something called dollar cost averaging, right? It takes the emotion out of things. You do something on automatic. So I've got a website here called performingmarkets.com. And yeah, I help people who want to start their first cryptocurrency portfolio, and it's super easy. You can just come down to performingmarkets.com and you can just follow how to get a Revolut account, and you can start buying Bitcoin very easily. And you can also set up a monthly purchase. So like $100 you could do every single month and just do it for 3 to 5 years. Yes, there's no quick get rich schemes. So it is a long term, 3 to 5 years. You want to do dollar cost averaging. And I mean, you can have a look at the top 10 coins. And as I mentioned, you can look at the history, right? So you can all go all the way back. Here is Ethereum. You can go and look at the chart. You can go back 3 years and you can see what the price is. And you could dollar cost average in Ethereum. And also the project I'm promoting at the moment called Apertum. You can also dollar cost average into this project as well. And it's super easy through our products on our DAO1 platform, which is called a decentralized autonomous organization. Yeah, we've got some awesome products. There is a promotion running at the moment. The promotion ends on the 31st of October 2025. So if you're watching this after that, I'm sure there'll be other promotions as well. So the good thing about these products is you can actually automatically dollar cost average into buying the Apertum token, which is quite cool. This is a hot project. And the nice thing is you've got a trading bot that can buy low and then sell high. You can see the chart here. You can see it's starting to dip. So the trading bot will keep buying and low. And then when the market starts going back up, it will sell as a profit, bagging you more of these coins. So let's just have a think about the history of blockchain. So I think about 25 years ago, the adoption for the internet, so the year 2000, I reckon must have been about 7% for the whole world who was adopting into the internet. And right now, 2025, the blockchain, I think, has got a similar type of adoption. I think it's like 8% for blockchain. So if you pay attention, where do you think blockchain adoption will be in the next 25 years, right? Because now the internet's got I think about 65 to 70% adoption worldwide. So think of that thought, right? So blockchain is gonna grow, and it is starting to grow. So pay attention to what's happening, and especially pay attention to this project that I'm talking about, Apertum, because there's good things happening in this project. You can always come down here and you can have a read. Apertum is the leading general one-layer blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem, built to deliver high performance, scalability, and long-term sustainability. Scalability is important for companies who want to join a project like Apertum blockchain. It's got characteristics of Bitcoin. It's got a halving model. It's got a mining mechanism where it actually mines the tokens. It's also fast because it's a tier one blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem. And it's also cheap for coders to come and develop their smart contracts on our blockchain. So super excited about the Apertum blockchain. And create yourself an account on the DAO1. You'll see some instructions below in the description, and create an account. And you can also get yourself a trading bot and a mining bot to gather these coins on automatic, right? Get the AI to do it. And you can also add to our liquidity pool. Super easy. Yes, this is our actually Explorer, which is quite good to show you. All transactions are transparent, right? Everything's transparent in the blockchain, which is awesome to know. All transactions happen here. So let me just show you the liquidity pool because it's quite cool. So tokens, and it's quite powerful. A DEX is a decentralized exchange, meaning you can put capital to work and you are in charge of the capital. It's a community. There's no third parties. You connect your wallet and you can take capital in and out at any time you want. So let's just do a quick there we go. So let's have a look to see how the this liquidity pool is looking at the moment. Let's have a look here. So look at that. We've got 22% per annum fees that you can generate if you add liquidity to the Apertum and USDT pool. Awesome, right? So you've got three things actually working in your favor. Grab yourself one of our products, a smart trading bot, buying low, selling high, accumulating Apertum coin, mining bot, mining the token coin as well on automatic, and add to the liquidity pool and get this favorable interest rate per annum. Awesome. So blockchain's here to stay. Lots of exciting things. So head over to performingmarkets.com. Head over, get yourself a Revolut account, start dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin or Ethereum, and check out the Apertum project and get yourself a DAO1 account and take advantage of our offer. Awesome. Have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you for episode 52 tomorrow. Smart money to blockchain freedom.